I'm Martin, and I was a chartered accountant, but I'm now retired, and I live in Bromley. I like walking because it gets you out in the fresh air, it gets you in the company of other people, the ability just to stop and see things, different types of landscape, and having somewhere definite to go is important, going on a journey as it were. I first noticed a problem with one of my knees about 15 years ago, but it was slight. It didn't really bother me. More recently, I had a problem with my other knee as well. And when both knees are affected, it more than doubles the problem. I remember going down to our local high street, which is about 2 or 3 minutes walk away from our house. And I struggled. And I thought, this is ridiculous. I've been a long distance walker and now I'm having a problem walking a short distance like that. I would actually think twice about whether I went down to the high street. And that made me realise that I just had to get something done. I decided to go to Shirley Oaks Hospital. I needed to get something done quickly. The problem was progressing quite fast, and I'm in my mid-70s. I just thought, I'm wasting these years of my life. We had previously been on the hospital's website and chosen the consultant that I wanted to see. And I was delighted when I went along to the hospital and they said he could see me in 48 hours' time. He took some x-rays and that immediately showed that I had a problem with both of my knees. So from first walking in to being in the operating theatre was just 2.5 weeks. I was very impressed. I have nothing but praise for Shirley Oaks Hospital. Everything went so smoothly. The nursing team were very good, very attentive. Physio team were excellent. I was doing some very good exercises in the hospital gym. Everything about the hospital stay was good. I'm back to walking without even thinking about it. We're going on a holiday next week and I should be doing quite a bit of walking. To me, it's amazing just to be able to walk easily without even thinking about it.